Guys, this is Hoshida station. If you need to go to Enagic office, you need to come to this station, Hoshida, and there's a taxi because Enagic factory is very far from the city town. I was staying at one of the hotels, so this is a taxi I'm going to take from here and then go to the Enagic factory today. So let's see guys, see you in the Enagic factory. Guys, I've just now come to the Kangen water Enagic factory here in Osaka, Japan. So you can see this is a factory, Osaka. It is on the very narrow road on the opposite side. So Japan is a very small country, so it's a Kangen water factory, you can see. So let's go inside and have a look. So I'm here finally, guys. Yeah. Guys, this is a factory and this is a location. So this is what I can see here. And this is a Kangen written here. So somebody was saying about the flags or something I could not see here. So in the factory we cannot take a video, correct?
Yeah.
So
here,
it's just
here is okay.
Here is okay.
Yeah.
So
inside.
okay.
No, okay.
So today he is my guide to take me into the factory. So let's see how it goes. So it is the entrance from there. You enter to the factory and then you come to this place. This is a hall and then there is the products all which are lying, which I was showing you guys. So let's go in and check. Today is 29th of Feb. So I'm here in Japan, in Osaka. So somehow I managed to come by the metro station to this, and metro station I told you, then you take a taxi to come to this place. So finally this is Enagic factory, and it's the entrance of this reception. So you can see they have all the products, they are lying here. This is it's Super 501, this is the Revolut JR4. Their Revolut JR4 is there, the Platinum model is there, and then they have SD501 model is there. So you can see this is a Platinum color model, and this is K8 model, which I generally recommend and I bought. And then again they have SD501. This is a silver color model. And then another model, let me show you about this model. This is also SD501 Platinum. So it's the same thing, two pieces are kept here. This is our old model, the same color. I'm having two pieces of them. And then there's an NSPL they have. So these are the models. This is the kind of display they have here. And then they keep some, pictures of some boxes here. And then they really have Wi-Fi, for the Atlantic people, and they have their distributors. So then, basically, I cannot find here the outlet of water which you find in Singapore or some other office with just as a factory face. So just few displays are there. So and then they have certificates which they have displayed in a very big format. That is a Japanese registered medical device, medicated device. So they have put it on display. As a patent number is there and this patented device here. And then this is what they have made, and they have their own leaflets here, all put here. So today they have mentioned that we have a lot of guests here, so they are not entertaining. Somehow I came from India, so especially for this, so they are giving me a chance to visit inside the factory. So let's see, and they have this all kind of tap arrangements where you can fit the fittings. So like here you can put Enagic Kangen here, so some Enagic Kangen here. So they have this kind of fitting here. So in this tap, I don't know how to do it. I mean to say maybe they have this kind of setup, you can put it here and then put Enagic and you can use this. So and here this is your tap, and they have special adjustment here. So they have put some kind of tap arrangements here, different tap arrangements, so maybe you can use it. Maybe you can use it from here also, So different options, different tap options they have given, and here also they have given sale. So these are the different various samples they have used, how to use their Kangen Enagic machine with this various taps, options. So let's go guys inside and let's check. Thank you. Guys, this is a filter process. Here you can see. Yeah. So you can see that they have they fabricate this kind of cup, and then they test it. It is in a dismantled condition. Then they insert one central rod, and then stud is there inside. but then they test this filter, then again there is a filter, and then they put an enable that label there, and then you can see this cup, they cover it. So this is a full process. This is inside, and then they have this, they fabricate this 2 pieces, and then they put in the drum. So this is a kind of inside the factory. So it is prohibited to take the pictures and videos, but somehow I managed to get a small video inside the factory. Alright guys, now I took the inside the tour of the factory. So what I can tell you is that I had a very good inside tour. Within 10 to 15 minutes I came out, and here what I was shown was that factory tour, the products, the complete products, and the safety evaluation test they showed me, and then the weekly test what they are doing they showed me, and then the assembling of the part how they do they showed me, and then packing inside the factory. So basically they have all those leak tests and assembling of the part and fastening of the screws, all the robotic machines. The people were sitting inside like a, with all mask and everything, like it was like some pharmaceutical company or something they are making inside. This was all the glass covered inside, so people cannot even see inside. And it was like some machines, robotic machines were there, and the maintenance of the robotic machine was going on. So today you can see that it was last day of this factory, so they were closing it. So main manufacturing was I could not see today. So it was just like a quick tour, because already like local time is 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock these guys knock off. So I have a very good guy, and he gave me some souvenir also. So inside the factory it was such neat and clean that you will really love to visit sometime. Whenever you come here, do visit this Enagic factory, and just there are the good people, so they will host you, they will take you around, and this is the exit. This is the exit gate of this. So we went from the entrance from that side. From the entrance we went that side, and then the two-floor factory. So since Japan is a small island, so this much area which they have covered in Osaka, it's a very big area. It's considered to be a very big area, because the people in Japan are living in small houses, But seeing this kind of big area, it seems that in Osaka, that means having this kind of land area in Osaka, it's not an easy thing for a company to build up. So I think they have this main factory, and they are building some other factory which other location in Japan also, but this is the main factory here. So this was like factory tour here. So this is what I can tell you, and let's see. Thank you.